This is Honor X7 and today we will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get the Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store, so if you would still like to get the game itself, just launch any search engine that you'd like. In it, type Fortnite APK. Among the search results, go for the official epicgames.com website. Once at this page, tap on the download the app from Epic Games hyperlink. Confirm the download process of the file, then launch it and install the Epic Games launcher. Now we can open the Epic Games application. Next you gotta tap on this black get button located in front of a Fortnite and start the download process of the game. Already? So prior to installing the Fortnite, it is required that we allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps or apps from external sources. So we'll turn this toggle on, get back to the Epic Games Launcher and confirm the installation, which I've just accidentally missed, so confirm it once again. And now we can launch the Fortnite. And from this very moment, all that it's left for you to do is to wait until the Fortnite will download all its required resources and update. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.